Want to learn AWS Cloud Practitioner? Cloud Talk offers. AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials is intended for individuals who seek an overall understanding of the AWS Cloud, independent of specific technical roles. It provides a detailed overview of cloud concepts, AWS services, security, architecture, pricing, and support. At a glance level foundational modality digital, self-paced length 6 hours. Course objectives. Define what the AWS Cloud is and the basic global infrastructure. Describe the key services on the AWS platform and their common use cases, for example, compute, analytics, etc. Describe basic AWS Cloud architectural principles. Describe basic security and compliance aspects of the AWS platform and the shared security model. Define the billing, account management, and pricing models. Identify sources of documentation or technical assistance, for example, white papers, support tickets, etc. Describe the AWS Cloud value proposition. Describe basic/core characteristics of deploying and operating in the AWS Cloud. This curriculum is intended for sales, legal, marketing, business analysts, project managers, chief experience officers, AWS Academy students, other IT-related professionals. Prerequisites. This is an entry-level training, but it assumes the following: general IT technical knowledge, general IT business knowledge. What are you waiting for? Enroll now. Join today. www.cloudtalk.com 1-832-666-7637 info@cloudtalk.com